Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make meat samosa with some spicy and sweet chutney. This sweet chutney you can keep in the fridge. It will stay good for 10 to 15 days. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Now let's start cooking. First let's make spicy chutney. For that, in a mixie jar add a handful of both mint and coriander leaves. I'm adding half an inch ginger, 3 green chilies. Chilies add according to your liking. Add some salt and grind into chutney consistency. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well. Transfer it to a container. You can store this chutney in the fridge and it will be good for 3 to 4 days. Now let's make sweet chutney. For that, in a pot add 100 grams of tamarind, 50 grams of dates, remove the seed and add it, and 50 grams of jaggery. Now add 2 cups of water. Mix everything well. Let it boil for 10 minutes on a low flame. Let's check the dates and tamarind. It's become nice and soft. Let it cool down completely. Then transfer it to a mixie jar and grind it into a fine paste. Pour the mixture into the sieve and extract the pulp. You can store this chutney in the fridge. It will stay good for 10 to 15 days. You can have this chutney with samosa, chaat, bel puri, dahi vada, and so on. Let's add the powder ingredients: half a teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, also called cumin, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Give it all a good mix. Let it boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. Check for some salt. It's getting thick. Turn off the flame. Let it cool down completely. Store it in an airtight container. Let's make a dough for samosa. For that we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, half a teaspoon of ajwain or also called omum, some salt, two tablespoons of oil or ghee. Mix all of this well for a minute or two. Add water little by little and make a dough. Add a tablespoon of oil. Knead well to get a soft dough. It's nice and soft. Cover it. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Now divide the dough into equal portions. Take a portion and roll it evenly. It should not be very thick. Cut it into two. Keep water in a bowl. Dip your fingers in it and dab the edges slightly. Take one edge and fold like a triangle, and take the other edge and wrap it over. Now we'll get like a pocket. Keep a spoonful of mincemeat filling. If you need this mincemeat recipe, just check out the link in the description. Press the edges well. I'll show you one more time. Samosas are ready to fry. Heat oil in a pan. Drop the samosas carefully into the oil. Fry both the sides on a medium heat until it turns light golden in color. Do try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Transfer this to a paper towel. Serve it with some spice and sweet chutney and enjoy. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy cooking!